I got this curtain track to create a recording studio in my basement. I knew I needed something heavy duty, and I love that this came with everything I needed to fully install it. When you open it up, it has clear instructions, all of the hardware you need, and a tightly wound curtain track. Now, this is the most frustrating part of the whole experience, is you have to unwind that curtain track. And there are a lot of tricks to it. You can add heat, you can put weights on it. And I, of course, went for the hardest option, which is twisting it in the opposite direction and zip tying it that way. I went this direction because I really wanted to get it installed as quickly as possible. So the next day, I popped open those zip ties, and it worked really well. It took some straightening by my hands, but it all straightened out quite quickly and was ready for the next part of the job. Installing the ceiling hooks was really quite straightforward. I just drilled them into the studs. I had to use a utility knife to cut the track, and that was not easy. But once I had that done, oh my gosh, it was so easy to put it up. The track latches into the ceiling hooks very easily and can just as easily be unlatched by pressing a lever on the side. So you can easily add more curtain hangers and remove and add the ends of the curtain rods whenever you want to. Here is it unlatching. That's the button. And then I just click it right in, and there you go. Curtain hanging is very simple. Choose whatever style of hangers and curtain you desire. I went with something that was thicker for my recording studio, and it worked so well. It slides easily, it looks great, and it gave me a separate space in my basement. I highly recommend these curtain tracks.